Namaste, Suprabhat. Welcome to my YouTube astrological channel, Akool Saral Jyotish, Astrology Simplified. I am Akool, astrological author, analyst, and researcher. Today I have come up with a very useful and unique topic about Dhan Yoga, Massive Dhan Yoga, how to assess the extent of your wealth through D60 chart. D60 is the final chart in the Shashtiamsha scheme of Maharishi Parashar. I have been sharing secret and effective D60 tips means Shashtiamsha tips with my beloved viewers over the last few sessions, and I hope you have learned many things about the application of Shashtiamsha for prediction. It is the final chart. It overrules the findings of all other divisional chart. D60 is so powerful. Maharishi Parashara has allotted the highest Bimsha Kabbalah of 4 to D60 chart in his Shashtiamsha scheme. Today I would also like to share another secret and the most effective D60 tip on how to analyze Dhan Yoga, means wealth yoga, through the D60 chart. So please remain tuned to the video presentation until the end. Otherwise, you will be missing out on the vital points. For analyzing Dhan Yoga in D60, which gives infallible results, you will require 3 charts. These are the birth chart D1, the Navamsha chart D9, and Shashtiamsha chart D60. You can generate all 3 charts in Jagannath Hora, a free to use and reliable astrological software. After setting the Ayanamsha as Lahiri Ayanamsha or Chitrapaksha Ayanamsha, because I use Lahiri Chitrapaksha Ayanamsha. So many of my beloved viewers ask me how to generate D60 chart. All of them I have told that you download Jagannath Hora, a free to use software in your system, and then generate D60 chart. You will be able to generate all charts in Jagannath Hora, both in south, north, east, all styles, as you like. Let us now learn this incredible, massive wealth yoga in simple steps. Step 1. Identify in the birth chart D1 the planet with the highest degrees, excluding Rahu and Ketu, and mark this planet as Atmakaraka, AK. Step 2. Find out the Navamsha D9 chart. Find out in the Navamsha D9 chart the Rashi or zodiac sign in which the AK planet is placed, and mark that Rashi in the Navamsha as Karakamsha Lagna, in short KL. Step 3. Now take this Karakamsha Lagna KL to the Shashtiamsha D60 chart and mark it as KL, means Karakamsha Lagna. If the second house and the 11th house from the Karakamsha Lagna, means KL, in the D60 chart are strong and fortified, you will have massive wealth in life is for sure. Let us now apply this wealth yoga in the horoscopes of some multi-billionaires and ultra-rich people. First horoscope I have taken of Kylie Jenner, owner of US-based Kylie Cosmetics, with a net worth of USD 700 billion. USD means United States dollar. USD 700 million means $700 million USD. It is our birth chart. What you have to do? First, you have to find out the planet with the highest degree in our birth chart without Rahu and Ketu, because we will be taken into consideration only 7 Gemini Karakas and not 9 or 8. So, the planet with the highest degree in our birth chart appeared to be Venus with 28 degree 19 minute. So take this Venus to the Navamsha chart. Venus is our Atmakaraka. So take this Atmakaraka to the Navamsha chart and find where it is located. Venus is located in the Navamsha. It is D9 Navamsha in Sagittarius. So her Karakamsha Lagna is Sagittarius. We'll take this Sagittarius sign in Shashtiamsha D60, and Sagittarius is here with Rahu and Mercury. We have to find out the strength of the second house for wealth from Karakamsha Lagna. Karakamsha Lagna is in the D60 Sagittarius. So the second house will become Capricorn. Who is the second lord? If the second house is Capricorn, it is Saturn. Saturn is in Cancer. And from Cancer, by his 7th aspect, he has been aspecting the second house, Capricorn. So it is the first indication that she will have massive wealth. Now find the 11th lord from the Karakamsha Lagna, Sagittarius. The 11th house is Libra. When Sagittarius is the Karakamsha Lagna in Shashtiamsha, the 11th house is Libra. Who is the Lord? The Lord is Venus. You see, Venus from Jupiter, Venus from Aries has been aspecting the 11th house. The 11th Lord has been aspecting the 11th house. So 11th house is very strong. And Dhan Karaka Jupiter is also in the 11th house. So she had massive wealth of $700 million. Drishti will take of Parashari Drishti, not Gemini Drishti. So she had massive wealth. It is so easy to find out. Narration is here. You can read it. Now I have taken the horoscope of Ratan Tataji a multi-billionaire, you all know. In the horoscope of Ratan Tataji, means in the birth chart of Ratan Tataji, birth chart of Ratan Tataji, we have to find out who is the planet with the highest degree, excluding Rahu and Ketu. I think Moon is the planet with highest degree. Yes. In birth chart D1 of Ratan Tata, the Moon is the Atmakaraka, a planet with the highest degree at 21 degree 37 minute. Navamsha chart of Ratan Tata. We have to find where Moon is located in his Navamsha chart. Moon is in Aries. So Karakamsha Lagna will be Aries. Moon is in Aries, so Karakamsha Lagna is Aries. We'll take this Karakamsha Lagna in the Shashtiamsha chart of Ratan Tataji. Karakamsha Lagna, we have find that it is it is Aries. Karakamsha Lagna is Aries, since Moon is in Aries in Navamsha. So Karakamsha Lagna in D60 is Aries. With Karakamsha Lagna, KL being Aries, the second house of wealth is Taurus with an exalted Moon therein. You see, the exalted Moon is in the second house. In Taurus, when Karakamsha Lagna in the Shashtiamsha is Aries, the second house automatically becomes Taurus, the second house of wealth, which is occupied by Moon, a exalted planet. In Taurus, Moon gets exaltation. And also see, there is Parivartan Yoga between Moon and Venus. Moon is in Taurus, ruled by Venus, and Venus is in Cancer, ruled by Moon. So there is a Parivartan Yoga. So the second house is highly fortified. Now from Karakamsha Lagna, we have to find out the 11th house. Karakamsha Lagna is Aries, so the 11th house is Aquarius. Who is the Lord? It is Saturn. Saturn is in the 11th house itself. So the 11th house is also immensely strong. So he had massive wealth. Once you learn the technique, it is very easy to apply. With Karakamsha Lagna, KL being Aries, the second house of wealth is Taurus with an exalted Moon therein in mutual aspect with Mercury. Another natural benefit. Both Moon and Venus are natural benefit, showing immense wealth. Moreover, there is Parivartan Yoga between the second lord of wealth, that is Venus, and the fourth lord of vehicles, the Moon. So he was a successful vehicle maker. He had several successful vehicle brands like the Tata Motors, Jaguar Land Rover, Tata Daewoo, and Tata Passenger Electric Mobility. With the KL in Aries in D60, the 11th house of income is Aquarius, with the 11th lord Saturn occupying the same I have already shown you. He had a huge income from his commercial ventures. When 11th house is so fortified, so he will automatically have huge income. And wealth too, because second house is also fortified. From the Karakamsha Lagna in D60, which is the final chart. D60 always overrules the findings of other charts. To conclude, means I have shown you two horoscope. To conclude, and now I am recapping. To conclude, this massive Dhan Yoga through the D60 chart clearly demonstrates how wealth is deeply encoded at the soul level signified by D60. D60 is the soul. At the soul level signified by D60 and can be rebuilt with precision when D1, D9 and D60 are analyzed together. By identifying the Atmakaraka, deriving the Karakamsha Lagna, and then assessing the strength of the second and 11th houses from the KL in D60, we gain an infallible method to judge financial abundance. The real life horoscopes of Kylie Jenner and Ratan Tata strongly validate this powerful technique, proving that a fortified second and 11th house in D60 from the Karakamsha Lagna is a decisive indicator of massive wealth and success. Use this method carefully and you will uncover a extraordinary financial potential hidden in any horoscope. Apply it in your horoscope, apply this theory in the horoscope of others and examine their ultimate financial destiny. Because D60 is the ultimate destiny. It was the small presentation for the day. If you have liked the video, please give like and share among your friends and relatives this video. They will also able to learn. And subscribe to the channel Akool Saral Jyotish Astrology Simplified. This will give me motivation to bring such unique content before all of you, so that you can, my beloved viewers, can learn something new every day. Every day I am sharing some new thought, some new tips, and those tips are proven tips. So please subscribe to the channel, give your love and affection to me. Namaste.